Vinny, those chips are gonna get hot.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Today I'm playing a prank on my friends at school because, as you guys saw a couple videos ago on the food challenge Friday, we ate those extremely hot chips that I'm going to be breaking out today, and I'm gonna be putting them in Dorito bags at lunch. I'm not in my normal lunch since I have lab, but I'm still gonna get some, guys, because they're always looking to get some food. They're gonna be like, yo, let me get some chips. I'll be like, take them, bro. They're all yours. They're gonna scarf them down thinking they're Doritos, and it's just gonna end so bad for them. You know, I might get one person, I might get 3, I might get 4, who knows, but regardless, it's gonna be a hilarious video, so make sure you stay tuned. Man, I haven't filmed on my iPhone in a while. This is something interesting. Well, let's get to school.
What do you think about those?
I throw up every single time I watch them. What's so
They're
funny
spicy and
what's so
sweet.
funny about him anyway?
Tastes like chili.
Have the rest.
Yeah. Nothing.
Have the rest, you idiot.
I literally throw up every single time I watch
Can
this.
you replace these or something?
Why? Is it hot? Oh, there's those ghost pepper chips.
Oh, these are the new. Oh.
Is that hot, bro?
Dude, yes. Hot. Holy shit. Oh my god. These are hot.
I swear they're spicy.
Those aren't a joke. Are those chips on your video? Dude, those are actually.
Big J,
Oh my god.
Eat the rest of them, Jerry. Eat the rest of
Set him
them.
down.
Like, I was like wondering why they had like no flavor. And I was like, oh.
Is that warm?
See, like one of them. Just like take a hand. Jerry, don't feel no pain.
Dump the rest. Send them
The
back.
rest. Oh my god.
That's hot. Sam, did you watch that video? Them doing hot.
They're steamy.
He's gonna need some milk.
He's immune.
Just wait. Just wait.
It's hot. It's hot. You need a drink.
My mouth is dry. Of course it
It sounds like a mess over here.
I know likes to blame all his garbagey habits on you.
You bought a lunch
Vinny,
with what
those chips are gonna get hot.
Yeah. You sign up for welfare?
You know what's in there. You know what's in there. Are they hot?
Yeah.
Matt, did you sign up for the check, man? I think I might have been.
They're the ghost pepper chips.
You see, they don't tell you. They lure you in.
Andrew.
You just know I don't deal with shit. Oh, that's so good. Oh, you just.
I got 5 hoes chillin' in the lobby. I got bitches watching me like how she touch it. I told Chopper got a